One Call Insurance App. The pros, the cons. If you've ever had an auto accident or need roadside assistance, the One Call Insurance App promises to make filing claims and requesting services faster, but does it really work smoothly? One of the biggest pros is efficiency. Most people get this wrong by assuming insurance claims require phone calls or paperwork. The app lets you report accidents, upload photos of damage, and track claim progress directly from your phone. You can also request tow services, rental cars, and emergency roadside help with just a few taps, saving time and stress. Another advantage is transparency. The app provides real-time updates on your claim status, so you know exactly where things stand. Notifications alert you to required documents or approvals, helping prevent delays. The app also stores policy information, documents, and contact numbers, giving you a one-stop hub for all insurance needs. However, there are cons. Some users report occasional app crashes or slow loading times, particularly during peak hours. Advanced claim management features, like detailed settlement history, may be limited on mobile and require desktop or agent assistance. Navigation can feel unintuitive for first-time users. In conclusion, the One Call Insurance App is a practical tool for policyholders who want convenience and speed when managing claims or emergencies. The surprising truth is that while it significantly reduces paperwork and wait times, it may not fully replace traditional support for complex claims. For anyone looking to handle insurance needs on the go, this app is a strong companion, but having alternative contact options ensures you're never stuck in a critical situation.